This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game is updated and your account region matches the event. This prevents locked items. Once done, open Events right arrow Royale to see if the Panda vehicle appears. You must gather currency next, either UC, event coupons, or tickets. Make sure to log in for any free rolls now. Then navigate to the specific crate or event panel. You will use UC or coupons to attempt draws, so prepare your balance before spinning. You now focus on how to pull efficiently. Look for pity systems where the game guarantees a high-tier item after a set number of draws. This reduces wasted UC. Once you identify the Panda pool, prioritize bundles with increased drop rates and calculate cost per pull to avoid overspending. Make sure to batch your pulls during double rate or discount periods. You'll get better chance and value. If missions grant free tickets, claim and apply them before spending UC. You finish by opening your pulls and claiming the Panda vehicle skin. Then go to Garage right arrow Vehicles to equip it for matches. If you don't get it immediately, don't chase impulsively. Monitor the pity counter and stick to a preset UC limit so you won't overspend. If the item is missing after a successful pull, first restart the game and check your inventory and redemption page. If still absent, gather transaction ID and contact in-game support. They can trace lost purchases and resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.